Hey, what's up everyone? This is Kimmerman from Kimmerman Gunpla Studio, and today I have here a model kit from Hasegawa which came from the 1977 novel by Haruka Takachiho's Crusher Joe that ushered the era of Japanese space opera anime. So I have here the Fighter 1 from that anime, and this is the protagonist Mecha or fighter jet. So this is my I think fourth non-Gunpla model kit to be assembled, and as much as I like the red design, I chose to buy this blue design because this is the main mecha, and this is the protagonist mecha for that anime. So let's check this kit out and let's see what this Hasegawa, which is also my first time to assemble, my first Hasegawa kit by the way. And let's check this kit out and let's see what this thing has to offer the buyers and collectors. So this is my first Hasegawa kit that I bought from 2023, but now it's 2025 since I had so many backlogs. Now I'm building again on Gunpla kits so that I may refresh my focus on other kits also. So this is a 1/72 scale Hasegawa model. So Hasegawa is the one creating fighter planes, airplanes, and tanks, the realistic war machines. And to be honest, I am planning to buy those also, but I don't have just the interest yet. So I started with this anime version of planes which came from the Crusher Joe. Yes, this is the Crusher Joe and it's from the Creator Works. So this is the Fighter 1 by the way, and there are two fighters, the Fighter 1 and Fighter 2. As I said, I much like this red one, but I chose to buy the protagonist, which is the blue one. So on the side of the box, we can see here some guidelines, or call this instructions. And the other side, you can see the finished product along with its decals, and it's on the action-based stand, the park mode, and also with these two figures here of Joe, and I forgot this guy. Later we will see his name. So if we open the box here, we can see instruction manual. So there's the finished product, very simple. I like the simplicity of this plane here, and thankfully there's this explanation here written in Japanese and English, and so we can see what this anime talks about. And instruction manual, there we can see some decal guidelines, placement or color coloring patterns for your kit. So this is Joe, the ace pilot here. So this is the protagonist character. So I like his style. He looks like just the Hikaru Ichigo from Macross, at the same time with the other Gundam pilots here. And also this is his partner, Talos. So his name is Talos here. So they are, I think they're not humans. They're from other planets, something like that. So judging the style of building this kit, this is very simple. This is a beginner-friendly kit, but I think you need to just prepare some glue and paint for this kit before you assemble, because I think this kit is better when painted, and at the same time apply some glue on the loose parts. So these are the packages here. We got this first pack for the action base stand, then the canopy shades. We have this pink one and the clear one. And the second pack here, we got all the necessary parts for the Crusher Joe Fighter one. And also we got here water slide decals from Hasegawa. So we got this Crusher Joe black and white shades here, and also we got these shades of brown, blue, the #1 logo here, and the signature J here for the Joe Fighter. Okay. So as always, let's have a quick runner review before we build the kit. So we got here white parts for the wings and other small pieces here for the landing gears. So this is runner D. We got gray parts here, light gray parts for the inner frame, and some booster parts here. This is runner B. Okay, we got another white parts for the hull frame and the nose of the jet. So this is runner E. Then light blue frame for the hull set or hull parts. This is for runner A here. And we got small runners for these yellow pieces here, runner F. And this one, light gray again for the landing gears, runner C. And we got two pilot figures for Talos and Joe, runner J, and two sets of canopy, runner G. So we got this pink one and the clear one. So it's up to you whether you want this pink or this clear parts, if you want some different shade of canopy. And we got this stickers, I think. These are paper stickers, white stickers, yep, for the canopy. So this is to be placed in these parts here, okay, or in this area here. And so we got this clear runner here for the action base stand, which is very nice. I like the transparent style of this action base. This is runner ST. So let's build the kit. Take time to appreciate the runners for these small parts here. You can see the canopy has this tall borders on each side. So it means the canopy is being protected from any untoward damage. Also this one, the yellow pieces here, it has very thick borders just to protect these two small pieces here for the gun barrels of the Crusher Joe fighter. These are really a nice feature for Hasegawa. So I heart Hasegawa for this one. For the finished product, straight build, without decals, without panel line, just a simple straight build. This will be the appearance of the kit. Crusher Joe Fighter 1, and there, it's very nice. I really like the presentation and model of Hasegawa for this kind of model kit. I didn't use any glue for this yet, although there are parts that is very loose, like this one, the barrel for the machine guns on the nose. This is loose, but I didn't apply yet glue for this because I'm planning to do some decal application and painting in the future. So let's just make this as it is. Then for these vents here, I tried painting with silver marker just to make it more realistic. And also here in the boosters, I painted it with silver marker, gold marker as well here. For the wheels, I didn't put anything yet because I'm still deciding on whether I display it in flight mode or with this parking wheels activated. And then here on top, you can see there are panel line options, but it's somehow shallow. Those panel line features here are somehow shallow, and yep, I'm just planning to apply, but not 100%, because the plastic of this kit is somehow brittle, especially this gray one here. So be careful when applying paints. It might burn or melt the plastic. This is an ABS. No, it's polystyrene plastic, but it's not in par, or it's not the same characteristic with the Bandai plastic of PS. And be careful with these features, such as this pointed thing on the wings. Also this fins here is very soft, is very brittle. So when applying, be careful. And also with the joints on these wheels, sorry for that, these are all brittle. Yes, these are all brittle. Be careful. And I just like the canopy here. It can open and also close, but for this review I will not do so because it's very tedious. But at least it can open. It's very tedious to do so, but at least if you do, you can open it, and you can remove Joe here, the pilot, if you want him to be out of the plane. Okay, so this is it. This is your Crusher Joe 172 scale from Hasegawa. So far, this is very nice. It's recommendable for straight builders, for beginner builders on this hobby. You can buy this kit if you see that on the market. So thank you to Skimmerman from Gimmerman Gunpla Studio, saying goodbye. God bless, take care.